Converting from natural gas to propane or vice versa is one of the more complex gas fireplace service tasks. So in case you ever need to have it done, it's a really good idea to know what's involved. In this video, we're showing you how to install a gas conversion kit. There are lots of ways you can customize a gas fireplace, even after it's been installed and used for years. On occasion, a utility company will change the fuel available to a home. Conversion kits allow you to change the appliance orifices and, if necessary, the regulators to run on a new fuel. While it's possible to do the work yourself, the hearth industry's recommendation is to have a qualified professional install your conversion kit. Kits are model specific. Each one has its own instructions. Make sure you and your service person read them carefully. It's important to note that fuel conversion is only allowed on vented appliances. Vent-free appliances cannot be converted. In general, installations look like this. First, the gas supply and any electricity supplying the fireplace or its accessories should be turned off. Conversion always involves replacing the main burner orifice, so logs and any other media may need to be removed. Since the burner orifice is in the venturi section, it might be necessary to remove the burner assembly and the air shutter. From there, the old main burner orifice spud can be exchanged for the new one. Most models also require a change to the pilot assembly. The pilot hood gets removed and the orifice there gets swapped too. Then there are models that also need to have the regulator built into the combination gas control valve adjusted or replaced. It's extremely important not to damage the diaphragm inside. Once all the new components are in place, your professional should record the operating pressures directly on the appliance, not elsewhere in the gas supply, test fire the appliance, and make any necessary adjustments. Every conversion kit also contains a conversion label that needs to be affixed to the appliance. To make sure you get the right gas conversion kit for your hearth appliance, our NFI Certified Specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.